The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is here, and it's everything muscle car enthusiasts have been waiting for. With Chevrolet sunsetting the Camaro nameplate, the Z28 arrives as a final tribute to the brand's legendary performance legacy. This isn't just another Camaro, it's a track-focused beast built to dominate both the road and the circuit. Under the hood, the 2025 Camaro Z28 packs a naturally aspirated 6.6-liter LT6 V8 engine borrowed from the Corvette Z06. Pushing out an estimated 670 horsepower and revving up to 8,600 RPM, this powertrain delivers a thrilling experience that few muscle cars can match. Unlike the supercharged 1.0, the Z28 relies on raw, high-revving power, ensuring a more connected and visceral driving feel. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, with an optional 10-speed automatic for those who want quicker shifts on the track. Visually, the Z28 is aggressive, with an aerodynamics package designed for maximum downforce. The front end features a larger grille for better airflow, a sculpted hood with functional vents, and a massive front splitter. The widened fenders house lightweight 19-inch forged wheels wrapped in track-ready Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. A carbon fiber rear wing provides stability at high speeds, ensuring the Z28 remains planted on the road. Every line and curve is optimized for performance, making it one of the most intimidating Camaros ever built. Inside, the Z28 strips away unnecessary luxuries in favor of a race-inspired cockpit. Lightweight Recaro bucket seats provide excellent lateral support, keeping the driver firmly in place during aggressive cornering. The Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel, carbon fiber trim, and minimalistic approach reinforce its track-ready nature. Chevrolet has kept the infotainment system simple but functional, with a high-resolution touchscreen offering performance data, lap timers, and track mode settings. On the road, the Z28 is firm and unforgiving, exactly what you'd expect from a car built for the track. Thanks to its Multimatic DSSV dampers, the suspension system delivers incredible handling precision. Whether carving through tight corners or blasting down straights, the car remains composed and predictable. The weight reduction, aggressive aerodynamics, and sticky tires contribute to a driving experience that feels more like a race car than a road-going muscle car. Chevrolet has ensured that the Z28's braking system is just as impressive as its acceleration. Carbon ceramic Brembo brakes provide immense stopping power, making sure this powerhouse can decelerate as quickly as it accelerates. Combined with an advanced traction control system, the Z28 is built to push limits without compromising safety. As the last high-performance Camaro before the brand transitions toward electrification, the Z28 is a celebration of pure combustion-powered driving. With its high-revving V8, race-tuned chassis, and aggressive styling, it embodies everything that makes muscle cars special. For enthusiasts who want one last taste of old-school performance before the industry shifts, the 2020